Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Eric, and today we're going to get into the chain brake systems on these Husqvarnas. If you've got one, you've probably found it happen once or twice to you and trying to figure out how to do it. And that is, if the chain brake is released on this, you're not going to be able to get the band itself over top of the sprocket. So, what's the easiest way to do it? For us, what I ended up doing was I had Claude take one of our regular just spark plug wrenches that we got with the kit and had him put it where it needed to be, and then he marked it out with a marker, and then he went out and he cut notches in that so that fit perfectly over that spring. And by doing that, one person can have enough strength to push down and lock it back in. And it's just rolling this. If the brake band is out where it should be right tight to the case. If not, if it's inside, then it's not. So that's released where it can't go. Voila. And we're back in business. So on that note, you guys have a great day.